I can feel it. I can feel the slack, man.
I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You are not as tough as
I've also clocked my personal best today. So the personal best lap time was 3 minutes and 9 seconds, and actually I was aiming for 3 minutes and 10 seconds, and I didn't know I've clocked my personal best, and I'm 8 seconds faster as compared to my last track day. Maybe the Canuts have contributed to the personal best lap time because Canuts will provide downforce, so which means I have more downforce at the front end of my car, which also means that I'm quicker in most of the corners. So my next track session will be at 5 PM, which is going to happen soon, and I'm going to remove my GT wing. So hopefully again I'm able to clock my personal best, which is 3 minutes and 9 seconds.
I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
you are not as tough as
It's pretty easy to remove the GT wing. I just have to loosen the bolts. So there are 2 bolts on the wing, 2 on each side, and I have to remove the bolts at the bottom, also 2 on each side. So right now, without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so I've removed my wing, and one thing I have realized is that my boot is very light right now, because last time with the wing on, my boot, it feels very heavy. Close it. Okay, so right now without the wing, my car looks very weird. Maybe it's because I've used to the current look. So right now the 5 PM track session is going to start, and hopefully I'm able to clock my personal best lap time without my GT wing. Right, let's go. Actually, this session, there are lesser car on the track, so it's much more easier to drive because you don't really need to, give way to them. And some of them, they are driving track car, and track car are usually faster. So after removing my GT wing, I felt that the rear end is pretty loose. Ooh. Because there are no downforce forcing the car down to the ground. Damn. I spin again. It's really scary to remove the GT wing. Woo. Earlier on, because of the spin out, I'm going to redo my lap again. Right now, without the wing, it makes a very big difference, especially when you are doing a high-speed turn. So one thing I've realized is that I can't really brake too much when I'm entering the corner, because the rear end will feel very, very loose. I think without the GT wing, I'm faster at the long straight, because the top speed is much more higher as compared with the wing on the car. But cornering wise with GT wing, it feels very stable. Yep, that's the place where I spun my car. And for the 5 p.m. session, the track is very empty. I haven't seen any cars overtaking me yet. Actually, the view here is very nice with all the palm trees. So other than, tracking your car on the track, you can also enjoy the good view. Whoa, I can feel it. I can feel the slide, man. Alright guys, so both of my track session has ended. Today's track session was really a good one, although I spin a few times on the track. I think I've spin about 3 times on the track, and it's really scary. So the reason why I'm having 2 track session today is because since I'm already here, because I'm coming all the way from Singapore, it's really a long drive. It took us about 4 to 5 hours to drive here, and it's really tiring. So since we are here, I just booked 2 sessions to enjoy myself. I'm not too sure why today the rear end of my NFR Forte is very loose, because the rear end of my car, it keeps sliding non-stop. I have spun once on the tarmac and twice into the gravel. So this is the gravel mark on my tire. And one thing that is luckily, it didn't damage my wheels. So after removing the GT wing, I don't feel there are much difference. Although the top speed is higher now, I'm able to hit 150 km per hour at the end of the long straight. But in all the corners on the track, I'm sliding all over because there's no downforce on my car without the wing. Tires are doing its job, brakes are doing its job. I'm very satisfied with today's track day. So today my personal best lap time is 3 minutes and 9 seconds, and during the second round, the best I could hit was 3 minutes and 11 seconds. Even though I've removed my GT wing, but I don't see there's any improvement on my lap time. I guess the only way to improve my lap time is to install the track tire on my car. It's pretty late right now, so after dinner we'll be heading back to Singapore. But of course, I will need to install back my GT wing because I can't fit the GT wing in my boot and also inside the car because the wing is pretty big. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, ride safe, drive safe, and bye.
I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You are not as tough as